Critical assessment criteria for literature review focuses on the standards and guidelines necessary to evaluate and analyze sources effectively for a comprehensive review. Originality is a crucial criterion for evaluating the literature review. Consider whether the review presents new perspectives, ideas, or insights within the field. Assess the methodology employed in the literature review. Evaluate the rigor and appropriateness of the methods used to gather, analyze, and synthesize the literature. Objectivity is essential in a literature review. Look for impartiality and fairness in presentation and interpretation of the literature, avoiding bias or subjective opinions. The ability to synthesize information from multiple sources is a key aspect of a literature review. Analyze how effectively the review integrates and connects findings from different studies to develop a comprehensive understanding of the topic. Consider the significance of the literature review in advancing knowledge within the particular field. Assess whether the review contributes meaningfully to the understanding of the topic and addresses important gaps or issues.